Okay, so something that you might have heard of before is called Google hacking. So Google has a very useful hidden feature that can allow you to hack, quote unquote, just by searching something in the Google box. There's something called the Google hacking database. You can just Google that. I believe I'm going to give you the link as well, where it's full of different commands that different users like all across the world update on a daily basis, and allows you to just search the internet for specifically what you want. Like for example, you can look specifically for a PDF or a Word document with passwords inside of it on a specific domain. That's how powerful Google hacking actually is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the Google hacking database and just give you an idea of how it works. Okay, so when you're in Kali Linux, you would just go to this website here. It's on exploitdb.com/ Google hacking database. So just check this out, and you can see a lot of stuff that's actually been uploaded by different users. And there's each individual query that you would actually go and put into Google.com and actually see what kind of results it gives you. So I would just look through these. You can do a quick search, like maybe you're trying to find something about passwords, or you can just type in like password and stuff will just come up, and you can see the different kinds of things that you can do. But we're gonna, instead of going to specific ones, we're just gonna try a couple like basic things. So like if you were to Google search, let's see, like ethical hacking, for example, it just searches ethical hacking. It brings up anything related to it. So if you wanted to look up ethical hacking and then like put something in parentheses, for example, it's gonna make sure that the word tutorial has to be included in like the search things that come up. So it's gonna like prioritize those things. If we wanted to look for maybe like a PDF file, specifically, we would, like, let's say ethical hacking tutorial, and then we'll do file type and then colon PDF. And now it's only going to bring up PDF files, as you can see right here. So now we have a bunch of different ethical hacking tutorials actually, and it's bringing up specifically PDF files. So now you're starting to understand a little bit of like, the power behind this. So if you wanted to do, look for, let's say you're actually doing some, like just browsing on the internet, maybe practicing just Google hacking, you can do, in URL, and you can do ethical hacking, and you're gonna see that it's going to be a part, of the URL. Those words are going to be a part of it. See what is ethical hacking is part of the, it's part of the actual URL to the website. So it's pretty powerful. You can look for like, maybe you can say like in text, how to hack, and you're gonna see websites, how to hack is gonna be somewhere in the text in the website. So you can use this to your advantage to find different things like about a domain. Okay, so another one we could do is maybe like, in URL. They want to look up something about my website, anthonytimbers.com. And then let's say in text, we want to say something like penetration, because we want to learn about penetration testing. So now it's gonna make sure that anthonytimbers.com is in the URL, and it's gonna actually find things that have penetration in the text somewhere on that page. So you actually pull up a blog that I wrote. So it's pretty neat stuff. So you can be very specific with the different things that you're actually searching for on the web. So you see, you find all this kind of stuff like that from my website. So it's pretty powerful. So, okay, so I'm not going to teach you how to do, malicious things per se, but what I will tell you to do is, go to the Google hacking database, check it out, do some research online for the different syntax and different things that you can actually use Google hacking for. Because like I said, you can find very powerful things. I'm not going to exactly show you, but you can do stuff like, file type and say PDF, or file type docx, and you can put, in title or in URL, like, and actually specify what you want to find. So if I'm an ethical hacker, I might be looking for something that has passwords in it on its and it's on a specific domain.